how to upgrade to another plan in Elevenlabs. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can upgrade to another plan in Elevenlabs. Upgrading to another plan in Elevenlabs is easy peasy, so kindly follow along. The first step is to log in into your Elevenlabs account, just like I've done here. And then once you're on the home page, move to the left side of the screen, move to the bottom part, alright, where you can see your profile name and click on that. Then a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, ensure you select subscription. It is found under API keys and above payouts. By clicking on subscription, you'll be taken to the subscription page. On this page, as you can see for me, I'm currently on the free version of Elevenlabs. So in order to upgrade, just scroll down and select the plan that you would like to upgrade to and click on subscribe. By clicking on subscribe, you wait for the subscription page to load and then you'll be taken to the checkout page. Okay. So once you're on this page, you can see the amount that you have to pay by the left side. Then by the right side, the next step would be for you to enter in your card information, such as your card number, the month and the year, your CVC, the card holder name, your country, select if you'd like to securely save your information. Then once you're done, click on subscribe and then you'll be successfully subscribed to the plan and your plan would be upgraded. As simple as that. So this is how you can upgrade your plan on Elevenlabs. So in case you're wondering how you can do that, I hope this tutorial has helped you. So ensure you practice this and you are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.